Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to watch the story of a brave girl who saved her island. A long time ago, on a beautiful island called Motunu, there lived a girl named Moana. She was the daughter of the island chief, and one day she would become the leader too. Moana loved the ocean and wanted to explore it. But her father said, no one goes beyond the reef. He was scared of the dangers in the sea. So Moana stayed and helped her people, but something was wrong. The fish stopped coming, and the plants stopped growing. The island was in trouble. Moana's grandmother, Grandma Tala, told her a secret. Long ago, a man named Maui, a magical demigod, stole the heart of Tefiti, a goddess who gave life to the world. After that, darkness started to spread. Grandma Tala said the ocean chose Moana to find Maui and return the heart to save the world. Before she died, Grandma Tala gave Moana the glowing green heart and told her, "Go!" Moana took a boat and sailed beyond the reef. The ocean helped her find Maui, but he didn't want to help at first. He only cared about himself and his magical fish hook. But Moana didn't give up. She convinced Maui to teach her how to sail, and together they went on a big adventure. They fought a giant crab named Tamatoa, and Maui got his hook back. They learned to work as a team. At last, they reached the island of Tefiti, but a fiery monster called Teka blocked their way. They tried to fight it, but Maui's hook got damaged, and he left. Moana felt alone and sad. But then, she heard Grandma Tala's voice in her heart. She remembered who she was, a brave wayfinder. Moana went back to face Teka alone. She realized something amazing. Teka was actually Tefiti. She wasn't evil. She had just lost her heart. Moana walked right up to her and gave the heart back. Teka turned back into the beautiful goddess Tefiti, and the world was healed. Plants grew again, and the ocean was happy. Maui came back and said sorry that Tefiti fixed his hook, and he flew away happy and thankful. Moana returned home. Her people were proud. She became the leader and led them as voyagers sailing the seas again. Moana had found who she truly was. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.